Well, let me get on down here next to you.
Okay.
Hey, everybody! It's
Hey, everybody.
he's speaking before me. I love it. Hey, it's Randy, guys. Cupcake Organic Farms, right here in beautiful Texas City, Texas.
Yeah.
Yeah, today's the last day of 2024. We're so excited to see what 2025 will bring.
Yeah, because today is New Year's Eve.
It is New Year's Eve, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, and everybody, this is Clark. This is my youngest grandson.
Hi.
He wanted to come out in the garden. What I love, him and his big brother James love to get out here with me.
Yep.
Pick tomatoes.
And plant cucumbers.
Oh, definitely. I love it when you guys help me plant.
Because I love cucumbers.
So you hate them?
I love
Oh,
them.
well.
Because James is afraid of them.
James loves them too.
No, James is afraid of them.
James is afraid of a cucumber?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
like-
just goofy, isn't it?
Yeah, right?
I think you'd be afraid of a big hairy spider or something, but not a cucumber. I love it.
Okay.
Well, folks, for 2025, I'm going to start preaching now that I'm 50, or at least I'm almost 50.
I'm 7, Willie, right now.
7.
Yeah.
I'd like to be 7 again. My goodness.
I'm 7, and I got a whole bunch of Legos. Everybody, even Sonic. Sonic Legos.
Sonic Legos?
Yes. I got Sonic Legos.
I don't know what those are.
The Legos about the Sonic.
Sonic as in the Hedgehog or the restaurant?
No, Sonic Hedgehog.
The Hedgehog, okay. I didn't know if you were
Legos.
talking about that place that sells hamburgers and chocolate shakes.
Even the Hedgehog. And
Oh.
they make Legos and shows about it.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
Is that on YouTube or is that on television?
On television and toys.
Oh my. So they make shows about your Legos. That's cool.
No, about Sonic.
About Sonic. Okay. That's kind of neat because we're making a show today about gardening.
Yeah.
And we're not going to even garden. I'm just going to let everyone know that
Yeah.
I'm going to start living with the land instead of living on the land.
Living on the land.
That's it. We're going to quit it. We're going to stop tilling. We're going to stop erosion. We're just going to stay organic. Let's put it that way.
Yeah.
I think that's the smartest thing to do.
But don't forget about that tornado last time.
Well,
Because that was bad.
that was bad. That was just a couple of days ago, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And you guys live out there, you and your mom and dad.
Yeah, it was right near us.
Oh. Did you see it?
We were staying in the safest place, the laundry room.
Oh, the laundry room. Well, I don't know. That doesn't sound like a very safe place because it's usually got dirty clothes.
Yeah, you're right.
There could be some smelly socks or something in
Yeah.
there. Well, folks, I don't want to take too much of your time, but it's time we start living with the land, quit living on the land. Let's do 100% organic gardening. We're going to continue to teach it, preach it, grow it. This year, 2025, my
Make
wife...
sure to watch that Dogman movie.
Dogman movie?
Yeah.
What is the guy's a dog and a man?
No, they call Dog Man.
Is it a cartoon?
It's a movie.
Okay, Dogman.
But it didn't came out yet.
Oh, it hasn't come out yet, so whatever that movie is.
It's on Netflix.
Oh, is it on Netflix? There you go, folks. So if you've got that Dogman, I like that name.
Then got Dogman books.
And there's books too?
Yeah. And
Jeez.
then got one more. It's a sticker book where you make your own food.
You know what I think you're telling me is I need to start watching more television. No, we're going to stay out here in the garden.
Yeah.
2025 Houston, I'm going to beg you all, get rid of your grass, grow food instead.
Yeah, grow food and stay healthy.
Ooh, you heard him. Stay healthy. Well, I don't know what else to talk about. All I know is that, and I'm going to try to say this in the right way, 2025, actually the next 4 years, is going to be the greatest that our country has seen since Ronald Reagan.
And look at this little plant.
And you guys get ready for that because we're going to be blessed. I don't think that was a plant. That was a weed. I'm going to get up. This ground is hard.
No, it's
Oh my
not
gosh.
soft.
It's not, well, where you're sitting is soft because I just tilled that not long ago, buddy.
Then
Say goodbye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.